Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Anaconda on Windows. To install Anaconda, go to a browser and type Anaconda download, press enter. Click on the first link, anaconda.com. Here click on skip registration. Make sure Windows is selected. And under Anaconda distribution, click on the Windows 64-bit. Click on save. So now the download has started. The exe file is around 1.1 GB. Wait for the download to complete. Once the exe is downloaded, we need to install Anaconda. To do this, double-click on the exe. Here on the Setup wizard, click on Next. Click I agree. You can keep the installation type as just we recommended one. This will install Anaconda only for the user. Click on Next. Keep the default location and click on Next. Check the second tick box, which will add Anaconda to path. Check the box Register Anaconda as default Python. Also check the box Clear Package Cache upon completion. So this will free up the disk space once we have done with the installation. And click Install. So now the installation has started. Wait for the installation to complete. So now the installation is complete. Click on Next. Click on Next. Uncheck the box Welcome to Anaconda. Keep the Launch Anaconda Navigator checked. So this will launch Anaconda Navigator once we click on Finish. So now click on Finish. So we are now done with the installation of Anaconda and have launched it for the first time. Once we are done with the installation, we can also verify if the Anaconda installation was successful. We can do this via command prompt. So press Windows R and type cmd, press enter. So this opens up the command prompt. Here type conda version, press enter. So this displays Anaconda with the version. So if you don't get any errors while running this command, then the installation of Anaconda was successful. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Anaconda on Windows. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.